today is meal prep day, and I normally meal prep like during the weekend so I can make sure that I start my week off good. I am on a weight loss journey, so it's important for me to have the food that I'm going to eat. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to hit the farmer's market. I'm going to Trader Joe's right now because that's the only space that has the coconut milk for my chia seed pudding. And I'm going to get there early so it's not a whole bunch of people there. And we're going to make this quick and easy because I ain't got all day. Been working out consistently for the last 2 weeks, and I realized that the reason why I am not getting the progress that I want is because I do not understand portion control. So we are getting this under control starting this week. I had to go by Trader Joe's to get my organic bananas because for my sweet treat, I love a good organic banana with some protein yogurt. So we're going to pick up some fruits and things of that nature, and then we are going to head off to the farmer's market. Do you work here?
I work for the market in general.
Oh, because I was going to ask you what kind of potatoes these are.
Oh, we should. Does this say G maybe?
Okay. I love going to the farmer's market, and I was so happy that I found these purple potatoes. I normally go over to Food Bazaar, but, food market versus the farmer's market, I'm going to pick the farmer's market every time. I'm looking for heirloom tomatoes. Okay, let me get my basket. Okay, we are making a pit stop because my roll around is too packed. We went to Trader Joe's, we went to Aldi's, and we also went to the farmer's market. So we back. Child, that almost took everything up out of me. Everything up out of me. So I got some peppers and cucumbers. I got more strawberries because they were 2 for $5. I didn't need them, but I got them. They're just gonna go into my little fruit bowl. I got spinach for my scrambled tofu in the mornings. I got protein yogurt. I am obsessed with protein yogurt now. Okay, so I'm obsessed with protein yogurt now. Coco June makes one. It's 8 grams per serving. I try to get as much protein in as I can. Got me some arugula because we're doing salads this week. And I got some more yogurt. I spent more than I should have, but this is going to last me at least a week and a half. And yeah, I got to wash and get all this together, and then we're going to prep it and make sure that we are eating like we're supposed to eat. first week that I'm starting to practice portion control, because that has been the culprit of me not seeing the results that I am wanting, and I have been consistently going to the gym for the last 2 weeks. All of these have multiple uses. They're full of fiber. It helps with the bloating. They're nutritious. They're delicious, and they keep well in the refrigerator. So good luck to me, because I am ready for a change.